Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us try to solve some example problems related to factoring trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's take a simple example, and in this example, let the trinomial be of this form: 6x to the power of 2 plus 5x minus 4. This is a 5. This is 5x minus 4. Okay, so we will use these steps to be able to factor it out. Step number 1, we will use the trial and error process. In the trial, in here we want the sum of two numbers to equal positive 5, and the product of the same two numbers should equal, let me write the product here. The product of the number should equal to a times c. A here is 6 and c for us is negative 4. When we take the product of these two numbers, 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, isn't it? So if I were to take the same two numbers, 6 and negative 4, 6 plus, no, let me write it a bit more clear. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and what we want is a positive 5, and therefore 6 and negative 4 is not a good choice. So we're going to come here and say no good. We want to keep trying until we come up with the correct answer. We want the product to be negative 24, but we want to see what are the two numbers when we add them will equal to positive 5, and when we multiply them will equal to negative 24. Therefore, if I were to say 8 times negative 3 is negative 24, and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, the two numbers we want to try are 8 and negative 3. And that satisfies the middle term, and that also satisfies the product of a times c, right? So therefore, the two numbers we are looking for are 8 and negative 3. In step number 2, I'm going to come in here and then say the two numbers we are looking for are 8 and negative 3. We're going to expand the middle term using these two numbers, numbers. In step number 3, we're going to perform that. So the given trinomial is 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, and we're going to expand this middle term using the two numbers which we have found. So 6x squared, I can write 5x as plus 8x minus 3x. 8x minus 3x is positive 5x, and then we have a negative 4. And now in step number 4, we're going to factor by grouping. We're going to take the first two terms and then the second set of terms, like that. Between 6x squared and 8x, what is common? 2x is common. If I were to pull out 2x from 6x squared, what is left? 3x is left. If I pull out 2x from 8x, what is left? Plus 4 is left. Similarly here, between negative 3x and negative 4, what is common? Negative 1 is common. And therefore, in this set of parentheses, I can write 3x plus 4. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times positive 4 is negative 4. So therefore, if I were to look at this expression and this expression here, 3x plus 4 is common. So I can write 3x plus 4, pull out 3x plus 4 as common. And in this second set of parentheses, I have 2x minus 1. Therefore, this is the factored form of this given trinomial, which is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The given trinomial is 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. So this is our factored form of this given trinomial. So in my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples related to trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c.